time.
And then...
Why did I say I got the computer?
And I'm gonna open...
Oh yes, I will make
And then Nina Oakland, her sister. So, today we'll be doing rapping. I'll be singing a cat song. Put your paw in the air like you just don't care. You didn't do that, but we should probably stop it. Word. I'm sorry for what you just had to see there.
Hey!
Word.